Before this video starts, I just want to give a huge shout out to everyone that purchased these. I still do have a couple left. They're on my site, on the Bigcartel site, so I dropped the link below or on the screen right now. And I made sure to make these smaller so they fit on iPhones, like on the back of your phone. And this is the mouse for reference, and go get yourself one of these. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning up an exhaust system using bathroom products. You guys probably seen this on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, wherever you guys seen it, but I saw it on TikTok and Instagram, and I decided to try for myself since I do have the same type of toilet bowl cleaner, which is this. So supposedly this right here will definitely clean up your exhaust or any type of aluminum, metal. It's so weird how it works, but I feel like, of course, you're cleaning a toilet, right? So you have to clean up all that shit. So you do need something pretty strong. This definitely does the job when you're cleaning a toilet bowl, and we have a couple of these laying around. So I might as well just try some on this exhaust I just picked up. This is a full, I have this because I'm gonna clean the exhaust a little bit with the glass cleaner. I don't know if you guys watched my old videos, but when I used to clean my wheels, my TEs, my Regas, whatever, and including these CEs, I only use glass cleaner because glass cleaner is less abrasive since it's for glass, versus if you use other type of cleaners, it could damage the wheels, stain it, or cause like minimal, like small scratches in the exhaust or wheels. Normally, if I have a clean exhaust that's already polished, I literally just wash the car. And if I don't wash the car, and if it's dirty, I'll just use invisible glass or any type of glass cleaner Windex to clean my exhaust, because this right here works amazing. So this is a full TSX, CL7, CL9, what do you want to call it, Skunk 2 Mega Power exhaust. In really good condition. There's no scratches, nothing underneath. It's just really, really dirty. And I do have, of course, the full piping. And I do know, I've seen on TikTok that this does clean out like yellowing and all this, but we're gonna be focusing on the canisters because, or the mufflers, because I feel like there's no need to really clean all of this, like the mid pipe, because you don't really see it, and also that's underneath the car. Like, when are you ever gonna go underneath the car and just clean your full exhaust system? Unless it's like a full like Restomod or whatever, like you just love cleaning. But that part always gets dirty, and this does always get dirty, but when you're washing the car and you're drying your car, this is all easy to access. Mine is probably up here, especially on the cords or the T-axis, because kind of cramped, but you'll be able to clean underneath. And of course the tips. Let's try using this Lysol method. I think I'm gonna do the invisible glass first. Wipe it down. We're gonna leave one side, and then we're just gonna do one side with the Lysol and see what the difference is. I think if I don't get the results as like mother's polish, then I'll just clean it up, and then I'll use mother's polish just to polish the exhaust. For this job, I would recommend using dirty rags because this is really dirty. So let's just spray, or actually just spray on top. Don't matter. Not gonna lie, it's actually coming out pretty decent with just invisible glass. Of course, invisible glass won't make it look or clean this up as well as like something really abrasive or actually polishing. For the muffler, you can see the shine's back. But if I go over it, start to dull out. So I think it definitely does need a polish. But what we're gonna do is try Lysol. So let's try this out real quick. I don't know how much to pour, but I'm gonna do a little bit first, just because I want to see, and I also don't want to make a mess in the living room. Let's see. Oh my god. I know if you scrub it in, it works really, really well. Holy crap. Oh, you can hear that. There's like a rock stuck in the rag. So be careful about that, especially if you have a baller exhaust, titanium. You don't want to scratch it up. Oh no, my exhaust is falling off the table. I will definitely admit this works pretty damn well for a toilet bowl cleaner product, especially on aluminum. Like, look at that. You can already see my reflection. This is only one pass. I don't think you could do like multiple passes on like using this unless it's really, really bad, but I still do think mother's polish definitely will bring it out even more. But this is really good for just one pass. and barely using any of that product. You saw how much I put on here. That was it. And I still have some left on the rag, so I think I could do the whole exhaust with just that much. I want to see how this will come out when I polish it with toilet bowl cleaner. So funny. Damn, that thing does wonders. It's a bit dirty down here still because I didn't get to it, but for the most part, that's pretty good. I think definitely when you use this toilet bowl cleaner, after you polish this out, make sure you clean it with like glass cleaner or just water and stuff so it doesn't leave like, there's residue on it. So just make sure you wipe it down after you're finished like cleaning it up, and it should not leave any stains, because once you guys know on like exhaust systems, if you don't clean up like all your oil stains or fingerprints, they will stain the exhaust, especially titanium. Titanium, you have to make sure that thing's clean. So I'm gonna finish this up and see, damn, it's already a huge difference. But I'm gonna finish this up real quick. I'm gonna do the tips and of course underneath the canisters, or I'll probably flip the exhaust over and then do it. But damn, amazing. This is how much I'm using. Make sure you hold the exhaust. Let's see if we get that badge back. Doing this with one hand is a bit hard because this table is kind of shaky. And you see all that yellowing? So supposedly this Lysol, if you rub it in pretty hard, it will remove all that yellowing. Yep, check that out, it removed it. Amazing. It's got two. You can finally see the badge. Who would have thought? Or I just wonder who tried this. Like, who just at home randomly just thought about using Lysol to clean metal? I put the camera down, I decided to use two hands to kind of hold the muffler and actually really get in there with the Lysol. And dude, it came out so good. Look at this, holy crap. And I also did hit it up with invisible glass out there, so a glass cleaner, just to get rid of all the residue. And this thing kind of does stink. And I do for sure know that if you don't wipe off with any glass cleaner or any type of like soap or degreaser, it's gonna stain. So make sure you guys wipe it off. That's crazy. And this is what I looked like before. And this is literally me taking only like 5 minutes of my time doing this. Like, if I didn't make this video and if I just like went at it, I will finish this in less than a minute or two. And whenever the exhaust starts doling, just hit it with quick Lysol or mother's polish, whatever type of polish you want to use, and it'll come back to life, of course. Okay, it works really well. One pass. Look at that, it literally looks brand new. That's what I looked like before. And I actually didn't end up using invisible glass to like wipe the residual dirt off. I literally just went straight to the Lysol. That's why this rag's dirty. And wow, amazing. I'm just gonna do the whole exhaust because this is literally not even taking that much time. And I'm actually not gonna be running this exhaust on my car because I don't like how big the canisters are. These things are huge. Like, they are insanely huge. I think they're like a 4-inch, 5-inch tip. There's a silencer in here too, but I don't like how these tips look. And I prefer the N1 tips, that's why I have them on my car. My goal with this was just to kind of like see if the polishing or using Lysol to polish an exhaust actually works, and it does work. Like, look at this. It does work. Amazing what Lysol can do. And I'm watching Adam LZ because he just picked up a CRX with a BTC in it and JD in front. And I don't know if he knows, but that JD in front's like, that whole front bumper, hood and fender, that's like, I think $3 grand nowadays. Probably more, but there's a lot of expensive stuff on that car. But yep, I'm just gonna finish this up. That is it. We're done with the whole muffler section. Can you believe that right there used to look like this? Or this used to look like, wait, that used to look like this. Alright, let's just do these two. And like I said, this is pretty shocking, that it works so well. I think this stuff is cheaper than Mother's or like Neverdoll, if I'm correct. But Mother's and Neverdoll, you kind of have to scrub in really like hard, like, you know, get at it. But this right here, you barely have to put in any work. You literally could, all the yellow spots, you can literally just either be aggressive on it or just take your time and it'll go away. I finished everything. The mid pipe and, well, the B pipe and the resonator. I did the resonator, of course the resonator's gonna come out like that. But all this, it came out pretty well, but if I put in more work, it'll look like this. But, and this one right here, this one's really hard. I think this one you kinda have to like Scotch Brite it and use polish. And I feel like these are staying more because they got more heat through them, especially with this one too. And back here is just like the exit of all your fumes and stuff, the exhaust gases. Cool little trick by using Lysol. So if you guys ever want to polish aluminum or metal, Lysol is the way to go, especially for mufflers. It's so easy. You guys saw how dirty it was, and now it's like brand new again. So don't sell this, just keep building, guys, and I'll keep you guys updated with more content. We're gonna figure out something with this hood and then get all the hybrid stuff on the car. But later, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video.